Symphony Orchestra will take you on a musical adventure through space, sunshine, and even a little magic. And along the way, you might hear music that sounds just like your favorite movie scenes. 咁嚟到我哋呢一場音樂會嘅第二部分呢，我哋會帶大家飛過太空啦，去到陽光嘅意大利啦，仲會闖入一個充滿魔法嘅世界喎。你可能會覺得，咦？呢啲音樂都好似我睇電影嗰陣聽過嘅配樂咁嘅喎。We begin far, far away in outer space. 我哋嘅旅程咧由遙遠嘅太空開始。試想像一下，我哋去到紅紅嘅火星，即係戰神嘅星球喎。音樂入面咧，你會